Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing the next release of my Etsy cut files. This is an overview of what I've got and I'm going to go into more detail. So it is a release of 8 different products and I have made some of them to give you some examples. Just before the video starts, I am offering a coupon code. It is Jamie10. I'll put it down in the description as well for 10% off your whole entire order from the store. So go and check it out. And let's get into looking at some of the memory dexes. Okay, I'm going to start with the first set. So the first set is a simple set. So it is 5 memory dexes and it is available for $4. That is without the coupon code. And here is one of the ones made. So there's just a variety of shapes. This is the heart one and they're all 4 inches across, and at its tallest, this one is 3.5 inches tall. So it's quite a petite memory dex, but it's very, very cute. And you can decorate it just like this as a present, or what you can do is on the back, you know, having some nice decorating, and on the back you can have a photo of, you know, your family or someone that you love. So very, very cool memory dex here. So that is from the simple set 1. There is 2 sets, and this one is also from the simple set 1. It is a star memory dex, so I've just decorated it up again. I decided to use some craft paper this time because I thought it would look really cute with the heritage collection, and it does. So I think this one looks so good. This memory dex comes with the layering piece as well as the actual memory dex itself, so that you don't have to, you know, get a layering piece yourself. It comes in the cut file, and I've just decorated it up like this. And like I said, you could put a photo, you could put journaling, lots of different things you can use memory dexes for. Here we have this adorable Christmas tree memory dex. So what you will be purchasing is the memory dex itself like this, and then the overlay piece. I believe this one is $2.50, again without the coupon code. And I've just decided to decorate it up like a Christmas tree. So I've got tinsel and some little dangles to look like ornaments and some pom-poms, and it looks really cool. And it's a large one, so you could put a lot of journaling on there and could make a whole memory dex kind of collection for December daily. So this one is a little under 5.5 inches. And like I said, 4 inches wide, but because it's a SVG file, you can resize it to whatever you want. You could also cut the memory dex part off and have it as an embellishment. That's the beauty of getting SVG files. You can manipulate them once you've purchased them. Then I have this ornament one. This one could be really cool because although it's, you know, I've designed it as an ornament, these could also look like potion bottles. So it would look really cute for Halloween as well. So I have decorated it up just like this. There's 3 layering pieces on there. So there's 3 different ones, just like this. And really nice picture. That would be really good for a large photo. I think this one is so cool. Can't remember the exact price, but it is 4.25 inches long and 4 inches wide. And here we have a little Santa boot. I think this one is really, really, really cute. I decided to do some colored paper instead of using plain cardstock, just to give it a little bit of effect. And as you can see, I did do a couple of them wide because otherwise they are a little bit brittle. So I always cut out about 3 of them and glue them together. So this one looks really cute. You're getting the backing piece and the layering pieces. Very cute. And the last one of the Christmas ones is this cute little elf boot. So I've done it with the curl here, so I thought you could add a dangle or a pom-pom, and this one I just wanted to do something really simple, just joy to the world, and you can put it on here. I am wanting to make a mini album of just memory dexes. I think it's going to look so awesome, so I'm going to try that soon. This one's really cool. And then lucky last of the examples that I've made is this little teapot. So I think this one is so cute. It'll look really good with garden party, heritage, market. I think it's Market Lane. So it's 5 inches down and 4 inches across, and look, it's got a little handle. So I think this one looks so cute. So you're getting the piece here, the layering piece, and then the layering pot as well. I think this release is so cute, and remember to check out the Etsy store. The link will be down below with the coupon code Jamie10 for 10% off your entire order. These are digital files, so you can jump on there, get the files, don't have to wait for any products to arrive, and you can start making. So it is absolutely awesome. I'm so happy with this release, and I hope you guys go and check out the store and enjoy some of the products. So thanks for watching. Bye!